So Magic Expand is actually a remarkable feature in your creative brainstorming companion. So this empowers you to effortlessly expand your content by generating additional ideas and concept. So for you to be able to get started, just simply click on to create a design in here, and then you'll get some options in here to choose from. And then right after, you could also start creating from your own media. So you could choose from a custom size, or you could also import a file. Let's go ahead and click onto custom size for a black canvas, and then right after, you'll just need to specify the width, height, and then right after, just simply click on to create new design. Now, right after clicking onto that, it should redirect you here onto the white canvas, wherein you could go ahead and try to upload in your photo so that we could go ahead and try out the feature. So you'll just need to head here onto the upload section. Then right after, drag and drop the photo that you want to add or you want to expand so that we could use it for our feature in here. So let's just go ahead and drag and drop it like that. We'll wait for it to load, so that once it is loaded up, we're gonna go ahead and drag and drop this photo here onto the canvas. So let's try to do that here. Now, as you can see, we've gone ahead and already added it. So let's try to resize that one out. Now onto this feature that we have in here, the Magic Expand. Since we want to go ahead and try to expand our content, what we'll need to do to utilize that is we're just gonna go ahead and click onto the photo. Then you should be able to see edit photo in here. Now here onto the edit photo, if you have click onto that, you should have the option in there to choose from the different option. We're just gonna go ahead and try to search for the Magic Expand, which is here. We're gonna go ahead and try to click onto that, and then right after, we're gonna go ahead and select a size onto how you want it to be expanded. So you could do freeform like that, you could just simply drag and drop it like that, or you could choose whole page if you want to utilize the whole canvas, or you could also have it one by one, and there are many more options in here. So you could choose from the different things that you would like to do, and then once you're already satisfied with the size of it, you're just gonna go ahead and click onto Magic Expand and then wait for the magic to happen. Now the next thing that you could do is you'll see the 4 options in here. So as you can see, it gone ahead and tried to expand our image seamlessly, so it doesn't seem that it was forced to be expanded. So all of the background really complemented the first photo that we have in here. So I kind of like how this resulted. So you could review and refine this, incorporate the generated ideas with the concept that you needed. You could utilize the different features in here, such as design, elements, text, brands, uploads, draw, projects, and apps. And then you could edit and customize expanded content to fit your writing style and purpose. And as you can see also here, below the 4 options that you actually have the option to generate new results if you're actually not satisfied with how it looks like. So you could just go ahead and try to click onto that, then go ahead and try to click onto done once everything is set. So once you're already satisfied with the expanded image, you could just go ahead and try to click onto share here onto the upper part, and then right after, click onto the download option, and then you could choose a file type. And that's just basically it on how to use the Magic Expand feature onto the Magic Studio in Canva.